How to change age on Epic Games. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up any browser you have, and once you do that, navigate to Epic Games and log into your account. Now, once you do that and you are on this page right here, click on the three lines at the top right corner and then navigate to your account. Once you are here, click on the drop down at the top and then click on Parental Controls. And on this page right here, it will ask you to enter the PIN that you've set the first time you used the parental control, so go ahead and do that. Once you have done that, click on Confirm at the bottom to continue, and you will get to this page right here, in which you need to scroll down till you find the section that says Epic Game Store. Now, as you can see right here, it will tell you that you will need to enter your PIN to access games above your rating, which is the selected rating. It could be this one or this one or this one, whatever rating. It tells you that whenever you want to access a game above this rating, you will need to enter your PIN. However, if you don't want a limit, set this control to unrated, which is all the way up. Now, once you have set it this option to unrated, you won't have any limit and you won't have to enter your PIN to access games. This means that you will be able to access all kinds of games if this option or this feature is set to this unrated. So it's that easy and simple. That was it for this video. That's how you can change age on Epic Games. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.